is like the kind of thing you have bad dreams about, but you're like, well, what's so bad about it, really?
And then also the spaghetti with beast balls.
Wait, those two meatballs you're calling beast balls?
Those are the beast balls.
I'm not getting as much flavor as I want out of the meatball.
It's because it's overcooked. You can tell it's dry.
But it's not undercooked. Is this like a cracker?
It is a s'more.
Cold bolognese on cold pasta that was ready 40 minutes ago.
We saw an aggressive sneeze at one point. When I saw it, I said absolutely not.
We just want a 10, a 9, and a 9. Okay,
There was
that's all
no
we want.
sneeze. Maybe I eat the pecan. Did you went with the meat? Maybe.
Kevin, try the pasta.
And the crazy thing is,
Immediately wash my hands.
food's getting colder.
Just do it.
Kevin,
You're
try
right.
the pasta. 3, 2, 1, reveal! What? You guys scored 22, the lowest score so far. If you do the math, that means they're now eliminated.
What was that? Fucking let me up here.
Their meatball fell apart.
I gave him a 4. I'm over here being honest.
They made you make your own taco. Eliminated for a bit.
You an 8?
Turn the lights red.
Oh no.
Open the portal.
Give me the recipe if you can. No, man, listen. No, man, please. No, come on.